Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is TOPENS DKC 500S Solar Sliding Gate Opener. This solar sliding gate opener is equipped with a strong 1/4 HP 180 watts DC motor. DKC 500S solar gate opener smoothly drives the heavy-duty sliding gate up to max 1,300 pounds in weight and max 40 feet in length. This ultra-quiet electric gate motor will automatically open and close your gate, and bring your family an easier and more comfortable life. Designed for all types of driveway sliding gates made by steel, wood, vinyl, and shaped as tube, panel, or chain link. Typical applications include residential, commercial, courtyard, farm and ranch. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, take just a few hours to finish the whole project. With commonly available tools, no extra welding, no high voltage connection, the installation is quite straightforward when following our step-by-step instructions. Full mounting hardware is included. Flexible power modes are for your selection. Use the included 30 watts solar panels to charge the battery whenever there is sunlight. You can add the 24 volts 12Ah automotive marine type battery as the main, backup power source. 2 pieces 12 volts batteries connected in series for 24 volts. The energy conservation and pollution-free solar powered system will operate alone without AC electricity. The DKC 500S gate motor can also be powered by 110/120 VAC electricity directly. When the motor temperature is too high, it will automatically cut off the power. In addition, the thrust can be adjusted when the motor is running to prevent motor overload and ensure a long-term trouble-free operation of the motor. Number 2 in this best sliding gate openers list is TOPENS DKC 1100S Solar Sliding Gate Opener. This electric sliding gate opener can automatically close the gate to prevent burning the motor by idling for a long time when the stroke is out of order. The motor runs for 120s by default, and the closing time has 3 choices of 5s, 10s, and 20s. You can set it according to the actual situation. Designed for all types of driveway sliding gates made by steel, wood, vinyl, and shaped as tube, panel, or chain link. Typical application includes residential, commercial, courtyard, farm and ranch. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, take just a few hours to finish the whole project. With commonly available tools, no extra welding, no high voltage connection, the installation is quite straightforward when following our step-by-step instructions. Full mounting hardware is included. Adopting advanced TOPENS code, the remotes perfectly prevent unauthorized access. Our unique feature midway mode allows the gate to open partially for the coming vehicles. The safety stop and reverse module is activated in case of any obstructions during gate opening, closing. The auto close function ultimately secures the property after you leave. Soft start and soft stop protect the motor for long-term outdoor use. The manual release key, including, is for backup use. Equipped with a strong 3/5 of a horsepower 450 watts DC motor, DKC 1100S is the most powerful solar sliding gate opener in the market, smoothly driving the heavy-duty slide gate up to max 2,600 pounds in weight and max 40 feet in length. This ultra-quiet electric gate motor will bring your family an easier and more comfortable life. Our third choice is TOPENS CK 1200 Automatic Sliding Gate Opener. TOPENS is always committed to providing high-quality products as well as the most helpful service. When you have our products, you also get the favorable 12-month warranty, lifetime tech guidance, and free system consultant service. We have a knowledgeable, talented team of technicians to assist you with all of your questions and troubleshooting. Feel free to get in touch with us. Your exclusive customer support representative will help you get a professional, customized and timely solution. TOPENS CK 1200 Automatic Gate Opener features a strong 3/4 of a horsepower 550 watts AC motor with greater start force, pulling force, and greater safety. It is designed as the best value performance kit for heavy-duty slide gates up to a maximum of 3,400 pounds in weight and 40 feet in length. This ultra-quiet automatic gate motor will bring your family an easier and more comfortable life. Suitable for all types of sliding gates, and perfect for driveway gates made by steel, wood, vinyl, and shaped as tube, panel, and chain link. Typical applications include residential, commercial, courtyard, farm and ranch. The chip of this electric sliding gate opener is imported, with quality assurance. In addition, the pure copper core motor can ensure sufficient power and strong power. 38 large relay can also play a better role in automatic adjustment, safety protection, conversion circuit, etc. The gate will stop and reverse if an obstacle is detected by the sensor of our gate opener. This technology brings great convenience and security to you. Fourth pick in this best sliding gate openers list is Co-Z Automatic Sliding Gate Opener. Featuring an energy-efficient 280 watts electric motor, this sliding gate opener from Co-Z smoothly slides gates up to 1,400 pounds and 40 feet at around 42 feet per minute with the help of its quality roller chains. The solid steel construction of our electric gate opener is lightweight and durable, while the ABS cover quickly dispatches heat, working together with the highly efficient all-copper motor to provide years of dependable service. This automatic gate opener enclosure comes with 2 remote controls, opening your property up from nearly 100 feet away at the push of a button. The system supports up to 25 remotes in total, easily accommodating the needs of large families, small communities, businesses, schools, and more. The system's frequency encryption technology also protects your remote controls from spoofing and keeps your gate secure against intruders. Pair with infrared sensors, not including, for automatic rebound when people or vehicles are detected passing. Automatic closing time can be adjusted. A variety of accessories can be connected, including infrared sensor, wireless keypads, alarm lamp, and etc. Easy DIY installation with commonly available tools, no extra welding, no high voltage electrical connection. Contains complete installation hardware and instructions, and the entire installation process only takes a few hours. Our fifth and last choice is GLE JY7 Automatic Sliding Gate Opener. GLE Automatic Gate Opener with a powerful 280 watts AC 110 volts motor, made of pure copper, is durable and reliable. Electric gate motor have a bigger starting force and pulling force, designed for heavy-duty driveway gate openers up to 1,400 pounds and 20 feet in length. Driveway gate openers using special hull components for stroke, no need to distinguish between upper limit and lower limit. The north and south poles are at the same height, and the magnets can only be used when they attract each other. Side-mounted board can reduce the magnetic interference of the motor and is more stable and durable. Sliding gate opener built-in thermal protector. When the temperature reaches the rated value, electric gate openers automatic power off, to avoid the gate opener motor from burning. In case of power failure, the clutch can be opened and closed manually. Remote control with slide cover to avoid accidentally touching buttons in your pocket. The remote control distance is 100 feet, with 4 buttons for opening/closing/stop, opening/closing stop. Only suitable for GLE automatic sliding gate openers. 4 remotes are standard, up to 300 remotes can be equipped. Equipped with 2 manual release keys to prevent power failure or loss of the remote control, in case of an accident. This electric gate opener is rust resistant with an aluminum frame, light and easy to install. Automatic gate opener for 40 feet gates, system remote controlled with 2 remotes included.